If you're looking for a quick and effective way to scrape online product reviews, Browse AI is a fantastic tool to get started with. In this video, we're going to dive into how you can scrape reviews from various websites using Browse AI, a powerful software that allows you to automate data extraction without needing to know how to code. Browse AI is an intuitive, no-code web scraping tool that lets you collect data from any website, including product reviews, effortlessly. If you're new to web scraping or even to Browse AI, stick around because I'll walk you through the simple steps to get started and explain why this software is a game changer for your digital marketing efforts. And if you're interested in trying it for yourself, we've got an exclusive bonus link below that lets you use Browse AI for free. Now, why would you want to scrape product reviews in the first place? If you're running an e-commerce store or just researching competitors, having access to real-time customer feedback is crucial. Whether you're trying to improve your own products, identify gaps in the market, or monitor customer sentiment, scraping reviews is a powerful way to gather insights quickly. Let's get right into it. To start scraping product reviews using Browse AI, you'll first need to sign up for an account. Don't worry, it's free to try, and I'll be linking that exclusive trial in the description below. Once you're in, Browse AI allows you to select a website from which you want to scrape data. For this example, let's say you're looking to scrape reviews from Amazon. Browse AI makes this super easy. You just need to open the website you want to scrape, point, and click to select the areas you want to extract data from, and the software will automatically learn the structure of the page. It's as simple as that. No technical setup needed. Once you've selected the right areas, you can let Browse AI run and pull the reviews for you, saving hours of manual work. You can even customize the type of data you want, from ratings, review text, and usernames to the number of reviews for each product. This makes it incredibly versatile. Whether you need a quick snapshot of user sentiments or more detailed analytics, Browse AI handles it all. What really sets Browse AI apart is its ability to handle dynamic content. Some websites load content dynamically, making it tricky for traditional scrapers. But Browse AI can easily work around that and still get you the information you need. Once you've set up your scraping task, Browse AI will start pulling the data for you in a structured format. It's easy to download the data into CSV, JSON, or Excel, and you can even schedule regular scraping tasks to collect new reviews as they come in. This is a great time saver if you want to track reviews over a long period. Another great feature of Browse AI is the ability to automate your scraping. Instead of manually running tasks, you can schedule when and how often Browse AI scrapes the data. You can even set up notifications to be alerted when new data is available, so you're always up to date. So if you're serious about gathering online product reviews and using that data to improve your business, Browse AI is a must-have tool. The software makes the entire process efficient, so you can spend your time analyzing the data rather than gathering it. Remember, you can start using Browse AI for free through the link below, and with our exclusive bonus, you'll get access to even more features. Take advantage of this extended trial and see for yourself how Browse AI can save you time and boost your digital marketing efforts. In the next section of the video, I'll show you a few tricks to optimize your use of Browse AI, so don't go anywhere. You'll definitely want to see these extra tips to get the most out of your scraping experience.